seated at their gameplay tables. Are you? Can I say yes? Alright, thank you for the energy check, I appreciate it. But here's another check. Some of you have picked up cute little pins at the register. It's not working for me, now I'm front of stage. Do you want a partner? Thank you so much. So please put your hands together to welcome on the stage, of course, right away, the man who knows exactly how to brew the most entertaining stories, the director and head of originals at Prime Video India, Nikhil Manook. Nikhil, first I want to say, you're dressed in prime colors, okay? So that's well done, okay? Number two, it's the festive season, so is कमाल के वक्त की शुभकामनाएं आपको and to of course all our friends from the media. Tell us what excites you the most about Do You Want a Partner?
Firstly, hi and good afternoon everyone. Thank you for being here. It's always a very special feeling when it's something new and exciting that we've been working on in front of all of you. And today is definitely one of those days. 2025, we've been really fortunate that a lot of our stories that we've put forward have received a lot of love from viewers and from all of you, whether it's our original stories like Dupaiya or Khauf, Gram Chikitsale, even Traitors, or our returning seasons like Panchayat, which is now it's in 4th season, Patal Lok, 2nd season, Sudal, which is a big Tamil show, and the show that we're talking today about, Do You Want a Partner, this wonderful show is going to be a very exciting addition to this lineup that we've been able to create. This is a series which has been directed by Colin and Archit, and at the core of it, this is about celebrating friendship, the spirit of entrepreneurship, sisterhood, and that very special and unique Indian thing called Jugaad. The story is about Shikha and Anahita, two friends played by two really talented actresses, Tamanna Bhatia and Diana Penty. And it's their journey of friendship, of the struggles that they feel in this entrepreneurial journey, but presented in a very humorous, fun, charming way, but with something meaningful to say. And since we're talking about partnerships, I must thank Dharmatic Entertainment, our partners and close collaborators for many years, Karan, Apurva, Shomen.
Had your finger on the audience's pulse, Karan. So I want to ask you, what made you think that Do You Want a Partner is a winning brew?
Well, it was my pickup line for Amazon.
Oh, this is great.
I think that's something that we have always wanted to do is partner with, I think, the best. And I truly believe they're such a powerful streaming platform and are known for their tremendous content, have been OGs. Some of the most successful breakthrough shows have been on Prime, and they have truly defined the content coming out of India.
About the show was also the dignity with which the female friendship was written. I think that I can't recall having seen a lot, so that became really precious to both of us. In fact, there were no loud scenes to tell you how close they are. We just had to do it organically through the show, which I thought was very, very interesting.
That is so nice. And also, as a woman standing in the middle of these wonderful men saying these things about women, all of the right words, I think they deserve a round of applause because it is important. Thank you. Can I have that mic, please? This is for you, Colin. So this show looks like it's about brewing beer, but honestly, you've been brewing a lot of fun. If Do You Want a Partner itself was a drink, now I know Colin a little bit, so I can go off script and ask him, will the show be a light lager, a strong craft beer, or something completely different?
Well, thank you for this very tough question, Rohini. But I think, this show was a beer. I don't think it would be a lager or a craft beer. I think it would be a full-on desi tharra. Okay. With, startup, cafes, dosti और प्यार का kick, and but at the end of it would be a very refreshing drink that we all could have together.
How amazing is that? And trust Colin, if I give him something off script, he'll give me something even better. A round of applause for our wonderful viewers. Yes. Archit and Colin flavor. This box holds the secret to the true flavors of your entertainment today. Now, how will this game work? Okay, you'll be passing it around. You, everybody on those tables. Ever played passing the parcel? you're going to do it again. Except you're going to be passing this. Music's going to be playing, you know how to play it. Sir, please take the barrel box away. You don't want to hold. Okay, now that you have held it, keep it right there. Janvi's going to spin that bubble and two of you.
पार्टनरशिप जो होती है ना दी अनयूजुअली आई लव दिस होल थिंग बिकॉज जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और ये पार्टनर का जो एटीट्यूड बिटवीन दिस टू वुमेन एंड द काइंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड द बोल्डनेस और जो जुगाड़ किया उन्होंने तो एंड आई जस्ट समथिंग केम टू माइंड यू नो ये जो when you have to agree with your partner sometimes a lot of the times when you come into an argument you know it's like reading those terms of use on the internet you know eventually you get fed up and you have to say I agree so ये भी ऐसा ही कुछ था जो स्क्रिप्ट में हमने पढ़ा एंड द टीम अच्छी है डायरेक्टर अच्छा नहीं है प्रोड्यूसर अच्छा नहीं है इट वाज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड वेल को एक्टर अच्छे नहीं है बट यहाँ पे आपको जो चेन है It's such a fantastic chain with the best of producers, the best of channel presentations, the creative team, best of actors, and the director, the team of directors we had. It was so fun. And really, it was an honor and a pleasure, sheer pleasure for an actor to get a team like this. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Nakul, over to you. First of all, can we all celebrate a very important personal victory for Nakul and the family? Congratulations. This month, I must say, Touch Wood has been all about good news. So are you excited about the fact that Do You Want a Partner का trailer launch भी इसी महीने हो रहा है?
Thank you. I'm over the moon. I'm also sleepless and nervous and anxious and you know मेरा actually थोड़ा भ्रम था जो अर्जित और कॉलिन ने भी तोड़ा. मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा था and I thought that you know the reason I said yes to the show.
Thank you both of you gentlemen. We couldn't have had a better start to our cast. Kindly take your place inside because I believe you're going to come back in just a little bit. Thank you so much, Javed sir. Thank you so much, Nakul. And now the lights come chilling in front of some swimming pool while we're all working here. Good move, Ranvijay. Well done.
And he said partnership and left me alone here
Yes,
to
that-
stand alone.
Okay, I want to take this moment only for you, Sufi.
Thank you.
Can I do this? I think we should do this. Let's say, Sufi, welcome to the movies. Can we say it? 3, 2, 1. Now following him on Prime Video, I think this has been quite a journey. Give Sufi a hand. Come on. Thank you, Sufi. Absolute love. So cute, man. This is so personal.
ये स्टोरी बाहर ला पाते अगर ये हम सबका जेन्युइन कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होता एंड आपने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया है कि आई एम जस्ट एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल एंड वी हैव द मोस्ट अमेजिंग क्रू एंड अमेजिंग एक्टर्स जो अगर मैं एक और शब्द बोलूँ तो लोग मुझसे माइक ले लेंगे इसीलिए मैं किसी और को बात करने दूंगी फिर मैं वापस इस पे आऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी बातें बतानी है आपको लेकिन आई होप अभी किसी और को बात करने
हम आपके पार्टनर से ही सुनना चाहते
बिल्कुल,
हैं डायना
No, it's okay now. She said everything. And Colin, for all the patience and for also really trusting us with this script. Like Tamanna said, it is about two girls, and it's really about the friendship, and it's a very real friendship. There's nothing about it that's over the top or something that you won't believe in. When you watch it, you're going to really feel the way you feel with your best friend. The way they fight, the way they hang out, the way they party, the way they, it's very real. And of course, two girls in a man's world, entrepreneurship, it's about startups. And like Karan very rightly put it backstage, it's a very snacky show. So I told Karan I'm going to use this word in every promotion. It's a very snacky show. It's just something that it's.
But today she spoke a lot. I've never heard her speaking so much. And that is very good. She spoke a lot of sense actually. Every word she said makes a lot of meaning to what the show is all about. But in those days when she was doing this workshop, 13 साल की बच्ची वो हंसती नहीं थी ज़्यादा, and she was extremely serious about what she used to do for work, like it is the last thing that she's going to do in her life, and she works with that intensity, whatever it is, even if it's slightly comic or if it's something light, but she's there, she's thinking of ideas, she's experimenting, even while we're taking the shot, she comes up with ideas to tell the director. All this was a beautiful moment for me to look at this little girl who came as 13 and today she is whatever her age is, but she has really grown up to be a very wonderful person and a person really admires her craft, whatever she's doing, she really takes it seriously and she works with that intensity. And that's something very beautiful about you. Very lovely. Yeah, that's all I want to say.
No,
Thank
this
you.
is beautiful. Thank you. And as I said, it's very rare that we can have the space to be real and honest. And I think that that was the grace given to us today.
Arjun, now it's time for you to sing our praises.
Arjun,
Oh,
are you
yes.
going to say anything?
What wonderful actors you were blessed to have, and how lovely we all were to you. And all. Yes, because I've never done a long format before, but also character-wise. So she was not the demure girl that I've played before. She's not the boisterous girl that I've played before. But I think that she was the most real person that I've played before, so far. And I think that's what when Archit and I sat down to discuss this character, and I wanted to know what he had in mind about her. I think that was one of the main points that came to mind, is that we need to make this show as real as possible, and every character has to be as real as possible. And I think
नहीं ये बड़े सवाल पूछे जाते हैं हमको. No. I want to ask the directors. अर्जुन एंड कॉलिन, आप लोग तो बिल्कुल अलग अलग दुनियाओं से हो, but how was your experience of working together? That is, I am sure everyone wants to know how you guys felt about it. Colin,
were we catty enough for you?
Are you talking about you guys or us?
no, I'm talking
You
about
guys.
I'm talking about your interpersonal.
We had a wonderful script in place, and then when I heard the cast, I was like, of course I'm going to work on this. I will never get to work with such an illustrious, amazing cast. Like all of you all have said, you all have spoken about Neeraj sir, Javed sir, Shweta ma'am, Sufi, Tamanna and Diana, Nakul. You know, we've had a great time, even Ranvijay, who was not here today. But I think it's बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी है कि हमें बहुत दूर बिठाया गया है अर्चित और मुझे. Actually, we work very well together. Our partnership is very strong, was very strong, and you know, I mean, I hope Archit says the same thing, but yeah.
Stage to this, it has been delightful because of the backing that we actually got from Amazon and Mithun, of course, and the team of writers and so many. Colin and I, we work very well because we have very different strengths, so we use that to our advantage.
And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody who's here with us, I want to thank each of you for your love and your time today. All right, all of you. Okay, thank you for being so honest and so real. Because if this is an indication of what this show is going to be, I just want to say I can't start binge watching it. And